Hello, how are you? My name is Stephanie Jerez. I am a student 13th E. Today we are going to talk about my future self. Then I'll show you my camp. My plans in the future. There for me. So really, when you read this letter, the membranes, you navigate. We'll have a lot of joy. Grab it. Don't let the years that have passed change the emotions and expression on your face. Pick it up and bring it back to life. My wish is that you future me. Do not lose yourself in bitter temptations and that you do not make yourself small in the face of difficulties. I future in this letter I want to tell you about. The dreams I have the aspiration for why I get up and strive every day. When you are realizing if you have achieved what you want, if not, be smart, keep going if your strength and conviction allow it. Otherwise, stay with what you have learned. Remember that an inspiration only becomes a failure when we try towards it rejecting the time it had the opportunity to teach us. My future self, I want to be able to achieve my dreams, which will be to graduate from the career that I like the most, which will be electricity. It is something that I love very much, and I hope to be able to fulfill my dreams. Thank you.